Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn a simple Excel trick to split a cell diagonally, like you see here in cell A1. So I've got two entries here. One is year indicating the column headers and serial number indicating the row headers, right? So let's try to recreate this in cell F1. So I'm going to type in both my entries here, year, alt, enter, which enables me to come to the next line, type in serial number and enter, right? Now I'm going to double click next to year and move to the right. Enter. Then I'm going to right click, format cells, come to borders, select the line style, and in the right bottom right corner you have this icon. Okay, click on this and select OK. So there you go. That's how you split a cell. Hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next video.